class. Welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your geography teacher. In the last class, we had studied about the onset of the monsoons and withdrawals. Okay, so today we are going to start a new topic, that is the seasons. The seasons. Here we in India we enjoy four types of seasons, and first one we are going to start, that is the cold weather season, that is a winter. And this season, that means the cold weather season, begins in India from mid November in northern and stays till February. Okay, so let's start the seasons. The monsoon type of climate is characterized by a distinct seasonal pattern. Means here it is said that the monsoon type of climate is, जो monsoon type of climate है उसकी विशेषताएं क्या करती हैं, बाय ए डिस्टिंक्ट, हम उसको अलग तरह से सीजनल पैटर्न को शो करते हैं. द वेदर कंडीशंस ग्रेटली चेंज्ड from one season to the other, and also you have seen that the weather also changed. वेदर कंडीशन ग्रेटली चेंज्ड फ्रॉम सीजन टू सीजन. आपने देखा होगा ना कि वेदर जो है वो सीजन टू सीजन चेंज होता रहता है. These changes are particularly noticeable in the interior parts of the country, and these type of changes we only able to notice in the interior part of our country. Means जो बीच के हिस्से जो हमारे इंडिया के हैं वहाँ से हम नोटिस कर सकते हैं, फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. The coastal areas do not experience much variations in temperature, and also when we move towards coastal area we find there is no too much differences in temperature, though there is variation in rainfall pattern. So there is no too much difference in temperature, but there is difference in rainfall. How many seasons are experienced in your place? Find out that where you are living, that place, what type of seasons you experienced. Four main seasons can be identified in India, and in India we have four types of a season: the cold weather season, the hot weather season, the advanced monsoon, and the retreating monsoon with some regional variations. Retreating पीछे हटता हुआ monsoon. Okay, so first one, that is the cold weather season, that is winter. The cold weather season begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February. And means it is here said that the winter season, the cold weather season started in India mid of the November and it stays कब तक रहता है, February. December and January are the coldest months. And in our country, in India, 2 months are very coldest, and that months are December and January. Coldest months in the northern part of India, and not in whole part of our country, only in northern part of the country. Okay, we enjoy or we feel very cold during the month of December and January. The temperature decreases from south to the north, and temperature कम हो जाता है कहाँ, साउथ की अपेक्षा नॉर्थ में. The average temperature of Chennai on the eastern coast, when we find out the average temperature of near the eastern coast, that is between 24 degree to minus 25 degrees Celsius, while in the northern plains it ranges between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. Days are warm and nights are cold. Days are somewhat गर्म होता है लेकिन nights are very cold. फ्रॉस्ट इज कॉमन, जैसे कि आपका फॉगी हो जाता है, फ्रॉस्ट हो जाता है, ठंड हो जाता है, ये वेरी कॉमन in the north and the higher slopes, and this fog is very common, very normal in the hilly areas and the some part of northern India. Experience snowfall, and in the Himalayas we experience a snowfall. During this season, the northeast trade winds, and during this season means during winter season, what happened? The northeast trade wind, जो इसको एक तरह से और क्या कर सकते हैं, पूर्वी हवा जो चलती है, प्रिवेल ओवर द कंट्री, पूरे देश में ये जो पूर्वी हवा है वो चलती है. दे ब्लो फ्रॉम लैंड टू सी, और ये कहाँ से बहती है, जमीन से सी की तरफ, एंड हैंस फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री it is dry season, and that's why in some other part of our country it is dry season. Some amount of rainfall occurs on the Tamil Nadu coast, and in this way आपने देखा कि कुछ पार्ट में तमिलनाडु कोस्ट में क्या होता है, रेनफॉल होती है. फ्रॉम दीज winds, फ्रॉम विच winds it become rain, only because of a trade winds. These winds as here they blow from sea to land. क्यों? क्योंकि ये हवा सी से लैंड की तरफ आती है, ठीक है, पानी लेकर के सी की तरफ से लैंड की तरफ आती है. In the northern part of the country, a favorable high temperature. In the northern part of the country, what happened? बहुत ही कमज़ोर हाई प्रेशर रीजन डेवलप्स. यहाँ पर बहुत कमज़ोर हाई प्रेशर रीजन डेवलप होता है, एरिया डेवलप होता है. विद लाइट विंड्स मूविंग टूवर्ड्स आउटवर्ड्स फ्रॉम द दिस एरिया, एंड वेरी लाइट विंड्स ऑल्सो मूव आउटवर्ड्स फ्रॉम दिस एरिया. Influenced by the relief, these winds blow through the Ganga valley from the west and the northwest, and also it influenced influenced by in relief, by the relief, what happens, these winds blow, ये हवा चलती है from Ganga, through the Ganga valley from the west and also northwest. The weather is normally marked by clear sky, and during this time the weather is you have seen that the weather is very clear sky, low temperatures and low humidity and favorable variation winds. A characteristic feature of cold weather season over the northern plains is the inflow of cyclonic disturbance. The most important characteristic features of what? Of the cold weather season, where over the northern plains, what is the inflow of cyclonic disturbances from the west and the northwest. These low pressure systems originate over the Mediterranean Sea. From where this wind originates? This low pressure system originate from Mediterranean Sea and Western Asia and move into and also eastern to Western Asia and move towards or move into India. Along with the westerly flow, किसके द्वारा? वेस्टर्ली फ्लो के द्वारा इंडिया में आता है. They cause the much needed winter rains over the plains and snowfall in the mountains, and after that these needed rainfall and also snowfall in the mountainous or Himalayan region. Although the total amount of winter rainfall locally known as, and almost amount of winter rainfall को हम क्या कह सकते हैं, महावत, is small, they are of immense, means extremely large immense importance for the cultivation of Rabi crop, and this rainfall is very important for the cultivation of Rabi crop. Mahavat, what is Mahavat? Mahavat refers to the winter rainfall that occurs in the western part of India. This rainfall is non-seasonal and is occurs as a result of western disturbance. The peninsular region does not have a well-defined cold season, and also when we move towards peninsular region, what happens? Region does not have well-defined cold season. Here there is no cold season. There is hardly any noticeably season change in temperature pattern during winters due to the moderating influence of the sea. Why this happen here? Only because of the influence of the moderating sea. Okay, because of the influence of the sea. So tomorrow we will start the hot weather season, that is summer. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you, beta.